So my oil is only what? It's like 12,000 over, right? So I started doing my oil change, right? Went and got the shit. The sprinklers weren't on. You know, getting ready to put my shit. It could have been like five or 10 minutes or whatever, right? Put my oil back together. Neighbor comes on and turns on the sprinklers. Who went, you know, right here too, you know, it's ditch water. Now, wouldn't that make you mad? You know, wouldn't that make you mad? It would make anybody mad. It would. They're concerned about their fucking lawn, right? Right. Okay. It was like, it could have waited 15, but he came out, keyed on me what I'm fucking doing. They're watching what I'm fucking doing all the time. All the time. They want drama, right? So, yeah, this is going up, upload, YouTube. Fact, proof. Getting me wet, right? Just to piss me off. So, another aspect of it, you know, so cool, right? Yeah, it just shows. So yeah, I'm like 12,000 miles over. So yeah. No, they're continually watching me. Yeah. Is it leaking? No. There's the oil filter. See, I'm physically, and it didn't turn on until fucking, you know, I got this shit almost back together, and you know, they're watching, and they could have waited. Like, look, yeah, getting me soaked. It's called raining on a parade, so, you know. Yeah. Back, and then the airplane. See the airplane? See, getting soaked. Yep. So that's what I'm doing, getting soaked. It's called raining on your parade. Every day, 24/7 without fail.